When you see the Kitchen Concepts kitchen covered in a colorful array of decorations and ingredients, it's no mystery who is here. You got it right. Chef Stewart Davis of Flannery's Bayou and Barbecue is here, and as you can see, we are getting ready for Mardi Gras, which is still a few weeks away.
Mardi Gras is February 17th.
Okay.
And it's interesting because Valentine's Day is the 14th.
Right.
This year, Mardi Gras is the 17th, so it's back-to-back Valentine's Day, Mardi Gras.
Which means good food all around.
Good food, good fun, and good loving.
Oh, I love it. I love it. So what are we making today?
Today we're going to be making, on your side, we're going to make chicken and andouille sausage jambalaya. And on this side, we're going to make crawfish and shrimp jambalaya.
Oh.
They're the same ingredients, just a different main protein.
And both of which you can find at Flannery's.
At Flannery's every day. So this is going to be oil, and this is all I'm doing for you guys, okay?
That's it?
We have to do everything else?
You're doing everything else. And if you need me, I'll be right back here.
Okay.
Okay, Lisa, you're going to throw in the cut sausage first.
Okay.
And Steve, you're going to throw in the vegetables first.
Vegetables first, okay.
Yep.
Put all those right in.
Yep. And the reason why we throw the sausage in first is because if you remember about sausage, it has a lot of fat in the sausage. So what you want to do is you want to go in and incorporate that fat into the oil.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the chicken in there.
Okay.
That's because that's just going to add a little bit more. Oh, I'm touching the pan. I shouldn't be touching the pan.
Yeah, I mean, I can do that. I mean,
There you go.
There you go. Okay. Oh, look at that.
oh, no, show off.
Attaboy. There we
Show
go.
off.
Okay, now we'll add the garlic.
That's this?
Same with me?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Now yours will take just a little bit more time because of the
There you go,
the
Lisa, you got it.
What?
Uh-oh.
I'm coming in here and showing you how to do omelets again.
All right.
How about that? Peppers, onion, celery.
And celery?
Look, she thinks she's so far behind.
Well, seafood will cook quicker than
It does.
sausage and
It
chicken,
does.
so.
Okay.
All right. And onions, Lisa.
I'm afraid to do it. I'm afraid I'm going to dump it everywhere.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, you didn't tell me I could use a spoon.
I wasn't going to let you use a spoon. All right, now we'll put in the shrimp.
Shrimp?
Lisa.
Looking around for shrimp.
Lisa, you can put in your herbs. We have thyme, basil, and oregano. That's thyme. That's just a teeny bit of thyme. You don't want tons of thyme. Tons of thyme. Tons of thyme gets you.
Tons of time anyway.
Tons of thyme gets you in
Nobody
trouble.
does. Yeah.
And that's basil, and that's oregano. And Steve, you can do the same thing.
Okay.
Put your herbs in.
Stick all of these in there?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And that's your thyme, and that's your basil, and that's your oregano, and that's your blackened seasoning. Lisa, you can put your blackened seasoning in.
All right.
Okay.
And if you would like to use the
Use that, probably easier,
spatula.
right? So I don't get the spices all over the place.
yeah, so you can show Lisa how it's done, right?
He's already showed off.
I saw him.
I
We're going to do
know.
those omelets. You know we're going to do those omelets next.
Oh,
That sounds
boy.
like fun.
Okay, then you can put your crawfish in.
Okay. Stick those right in
All
there.
right. That's a bam, and that's a bam. Then we have a little bit of chicken base and a little bit of seafood base. There's,
Okay.
You get it? Look at that.
That's the base.
Look at that girl go.
I'm somewhat useful in the kitchen. Not a lot, but
Now, one of the good things about this, too, is you can heat it up as you need it, or if you have your rice ready, you're going to see how quickly this becomes dinner or lunch or breakfast.
I was waiting for it.
In New Orleans, you eat jambalaya all the time, every day.
Midnight snack.
That's right.
It's so
Okay.
colorful. I mean, it's
really
look at it,
is.
festive.
So we're going to put the tomatoes in there now, and we'll put a little bit of the,
We're doing the whole thing?
the whole thing of tomatoes.
All right.
Why not?
Why not?
If I don't use it all, I got to take it back and put it all away and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that.
You don't need that extra work.
Okay, Lisa, now you're going to add that cup of water.
Oh.
That's
Water.
not vodka.
Are you sure?
No, it's water, trust me. And you can add your cup of water, Steve.
Okay.
I did not burn myself. You can't prove
Workers'
it.
comp, can't do that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit and simmer.
Okay.
Now, while we're letting this sit and simmer, you're going to smell it. We're going to have a little conversation, and then we'll come back and see what we got. How
Well,
about
there
that?
you go.
Sounds like a
Sit and
plan.
simmer, and then come back. Stick around, DelmarvaLife will be right back.
Well, we've been slowly simmering away during the break and letting all the flavors get to know each other in the dishes. And we always enjoy getting to know our pal Chef Stewart Davis from Flannery's Bayou and Barbecue just a little bit better. What else do we need to do here to finish this up?
Shrimp, meat, crawfish, crawfish, meat, shrimp, andouille sausage, meat, chicken, chicken, meat, andouille
I love
sausage.
it.
We're going to take your rice, and we're going to take your rice and dump about 3/4 of it in there.
In the pan.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Okay.
About 3/4 of it.
Gotta do-
Now, I cooked the rice ahead of time because of the fact that you're going to make it quick. So you could do all this at home, have it all ready to go, and all you got to do is add rice and cook it just like this. Yep, now you're going to stir it. You can use your spoon, Lisa, if you want.
Spoon might be easier, huh?
Oh, I didn't even see you, Steve. I was just picking on Lisa.
Yeah, he's been picking on me all
You know
day.
who will miss this? My buddy Patrick.
Patrick, our camera operator who loves when Chef Stewart comes. I mean, who doesn't love when you
Right. It's always a
But,
party.
Yeah, it's always a
Patrick
party.
always claims his dish first.
Yes, he does. We have
So
to
now
hide
what
it
you
from
can do with this is you sort of just leave it sit for just a minute. See how yours is thickened up just like that? It's taking a lot of the juice and going right into the rice.
Sure.
Same thing with this one. Now we just made it add a little bit, we added a little bit more water or whatever, but we don't need, that juice is going to be there. It's going to be ready. This juice you take French bread,
Oh, yeah.
dip in. Okay, Lisa, here we go.
All right,
Yours
time
is
to serve.
ready.
Okay.
Steve,
All
you
right.
want to put yours in there?
Same thing?
Yes, sir.
And while we're doing that, you want to let people know that you're actually not open until February 4th?
I'm open February 4th, and I open July 4th. July 4th will be the new menu, or July 4th.
I have to say, we're back in the summertime.
All right.
January 4th will be
January
the
4th.
new menu, and
You mean February 4th? It's okay. There's a lot of spices in here.
Yes.
I'm hot. It's hot in here. January 4th, or February 4th. February 4th, we are going to be open and we are going to have a new menu. And the 14th is Valentine's Day, so we're going to be open on that day. That's a Saturday. And usually I'm not open on a Saturday, but we will be taking reservations for Saturday. We're going to be open 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. And then on that Fat Tuesday, I'm not generally open on Tuesday, but we will be open Fat Tuesday, 3 to 9 p.m., and I will be taking reservations for that. So my grand opening also includes a couple special days in there because they come back to back, and it's very, very fun.
Yeah.
I was thinking about doing pancakes for Tuesday also, so maybe I'll have a pancake or two because it is Shrove Tuesday.
It is, yes.
Okay, girls
All
and
right, what do
boys.
you think? What do you
of truth.
think?
Now, don't go like that.
Yeah, it is hot.
Oh, boy. You want to make sure you get a little bit of
Do you
everything.
want to taste test each one, see who did better?
I
'Cause,
think that's a
I'm
brilliant
a little
idea.
competitive.
I think that's good. I think that's a good thing.
All
do
right,
it.
We'll try our own first.
And then we got another fork for you here and another fork for you there. You'll definitely tell the difference in the shrimp and the chicken and andouille sauce. Okay, Cross.
That is an explosion of flavor. I mean,
Well, see, that's the neat part about it. It really is.
Oh, gotta get some crawfish in here.
all right, yes, you do. And you're going to get a little bit of everything here.
A little bit of
bit.
everything.
Yeah,
It's
that-
hard to get everything in one
is.
bite because there's a lot in there.
All right, give it a go.
A little different.
It is a little different.
Some people make jambalaya into soup. Well, basically, that ends up being sort of like that. But so jambalaya is actually a casserole dish.
Right.
So, I mean, you can make it into soup and you can have it a little bit juicier, or you can make it into a nice casserole dish, which is either way would be fine.
And it always tastes even better when it sits for a while, right?
It tastes better. What I would do is generally, if we weren't on TV, I'd let that cook just for like another 5 minutes or so. Or you can take that juice, add your rice, your raw rice, right to it, and then put it on a slow simmer and just mix it up. Because then that incorporates cooking the rice in with the juice.
All right.
But I always seem to find that a lot of people want to find the quickest way, the fastest way. Go for it.
Yeah.
The quickest way and the fastest way to get things done, because actually we don't have any time, like we talked about earlier. So it's easier to get it done like that and just add it real quick, real
All
fast.
right. Well, we're going to have all the information on where you can find Flannery's, all those hours, all that information on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Just click on what's happening today. Chef Stewart Davis, as always, you make it a party in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen.
always a party.
Les bon temps roulés.
What he said. DelmarvaLife will be right back.